This 2023 Grand Design Momentum 398M is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This new Grand Design is 43 feet 11 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, sleeps 11, slideout, TV antenna, air conditioning, refrigerator, external shower, water heater, spare tire kit, oven, leveling jacks, TV, and 155 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bath and a half, bunk beds, bunkhouse, couples coach, front bedroom, kitchen island, loft, mid-bunk, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, patio deck, raised patio, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear dinette, rear entertainment, rear living area, 2 bedrooms, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Grand Design Momentum 398M is 15,000 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.